they will not come with us at present. And we are isolated in practice. We are alone, not isolated from them, but not isolated from the masses. What we have seen in the last election, all the political parties are corrupt. People have no regard for BJP. People have no regard about Congress. People have no regard about Chandrababu Naidu. People have no regard about the men who are in the throne in MP. The people have no regard about Trinamool Congress. The people have no regard about Sapa Samajwadi Party. The people have no regard about Mayawati. The people have no regard on all the bourgeois and regional political parties. People know very well that they are all corrupt. What could people do in the election? They have to choose one and they cast their votes. But only political party, our party, we contested 151 seats in India. And why our central committee took this decision? We know very well that now CPM, CPI and MALE and other parties, they are not representing leftism at all. And only our party is representing leftism. We are upholding the banner of red flag. And we know what the meaning of leftism is. What the meaning of leftism, comrade? Leftism started in India in the year of 1908 when Khudiram sacrificed his life. When Khudiram faced his gun smilingly. After that, Bhagat Singh, who sacrificed his life, Rajguru and Sukhdev. What is the motto of leftism? Sacrifice everything, sacrifice your life even for the sake of your country, for the sake of the class. In our freedom movement, Netaji told, with the left in Congress, he called himself left. Leftism means who fought uncompromisingly against the imperialist class. And our beloved leader and teacher, Comrade Shivdas Ghosh told, nowadays who is a left, who can fight uncompromisingly against imperialism, who can fight uncompromisingly against capitalism, they are the true lefts. And we, the associated people, we can fight in this way, upholding the banner of leftism. Our flag is red because it is made of our blood. Blood of the toiling people, blood of the workers, blood of the peasants, blood of the women, blood of the students and youths of the whole world. We the lefts, we represented internationalism. Every fight in this world is our fight. This is our leftism. We can give everything. We are not in favor of collecting some votes. We are not in favor of going to the parliamentary rostrum. We are in favor and we are trying to build up the mass struggle in our country. Comrade, you may say, can we be successful? Our party is not a very big party. We have no MP. Even we have no MLA in any assemblies in the country. Can we be able? Comrades, it is the teaching of history that we will be. Comrade, can you tell me Who created the Delhi movement, Vision movement? Who created? Any political party? 13 months long, 1 million pigeons participated, and at least 30 million, 40 million, 50 million people was directly in support of this movement. And all the poor people of India supported this movement. Comrade, tell me, what party created this movement? No party created this movement. BJP opposed. No, Congress also opposed. Then in Punjab there was Congress government. Punjab, when the peasants started marching to Delhi, first opposition was given by Congress in Punjab. So Congress opposed. What in West Bengal Trinamool Congress did, that Trinamool Congress opposed. What Sapa leader Mulayam and his son did, they opposed. All the bourgeois party opposed this movement, this peasant movement, opposed. In spite of their opposition, peasantry rose, started fighting, sacrificed their lives. 750 people sacrificed their lives. Their slogan was, "We shall fight, we shall win." They raised the slogan, "We will bow down the heads of the multinationals. We will bow down the heads of Modi government." A journalist asked to a peasant, how long he will be able to sit on the street in the midst of this such a cold situation. Peasants replied, "O चाहे तो हम 2024 तक बैठ रहेंगे. If they want, we will sit up to 2024. हम लड़ेंगे, हम जीतेंगे, we shall fight, we shall win." This is the reply of the peasants. So, comrades, to a Marxist party, people's power, people's fighting ability, people's role in the history is like this. See the struggle of Bangladesh now going on. Struggle of Bangladesh is going on now. No political party build up this struggle. No political party. People of Bangladesh rose and they are fighting against fascist Hasina government of Bangladesh. Up till now, 6,000 people of Bangladesh is severely injured. More than 1,500 people Hasina government murdered. And the movement is gaining momentum. Who created? The people. The people created. What is the teaching of Marxism? What is the teaching of Comrade Shifter Ghosh? Comrade Shifter Ghosh's teaching confirm this. Comrade Shifter Ghosh taught us, don't think in this way that SUC will spread throughout the country. Millions and people will be SUC. Then the revolution took place. No, comrade, that is not his view. How revolution will take place? People will fight. Peasants will fight. Working class people will fight. Students will fight. Youth will fight. And all these social forces, social started class will fight against the bourgeois class rule. And we the SUC people, as its vanguard, we the SUC people will remain in that fighting, and we will try our level best to give it a direction. For the first time, we will not be able to give direction. They will not hear. In Delhi movement, we were there. We tried our best to guide them. On some points, they accepted our line, but majorly they did not accept our line. But as a result of that, SKM formed, and with the IKMS SUC people, they are now playing an important role in SKM. Important role. Likewise, working class movement will be developed in India. Likewise, students' movement, saying our role of DSO against Bangladesh. What is happening in Bangladesh? Our DSO organized all the left forces except SFI. SFI is not there. DSO organized other left forces to combine, and that created an international forum also in support of Bangladesh movement. Then people will fight. History is that people will fight, and with the Bengal proletariat, our task is to create constant touch with the common people, with the proletariat class, with the working class, with the peasantry, with the students, with the youths. It is our task. That's why Comrade Sikdar Ghosh once told, perhaps it is last public meeting. I was present in that meeting in 1974. A book was published as Task Ahead of the Students and Youth. Perhaps Govindo read it. In its last para, what Comrade Sikdar Ghosh said, Comrade Sikdar Ghosh said, go to the masses, organize them in thousands, and help them in getting their political power. Then the time comes for the masses for action, that we call revolution. What does it mean? The role of the masses is very much important. Masses will act. Our task is to remain with the masses and help them in creating their political power. When people will fight, people will create its own instrument. And if we are in the midst of this struggle, then we will be able to direct them in the proper direction. There is our nobility of thinking. We are not with parliamentary zigzags. We are with the masses by sacrificing ourselves. So, comrade, at present, what is our task? At present, our task is to remain with the masses. All comrades, all supporters, everybody who is willing to fight, they must engage themselves within the people, within the masses, within the toiling masses. We have to remain. One thing we should remember, that the people who have no knowledge of revolution, you see, they will create revolution. In Soviet Union, in Russia, 1917, when people formed Soviets, that means that workers had no idea about revolution. But they organized themselves in Soviets. And Lenin, under Bolshevik leadership, directed them in a proper line. Then Soviet Communist Party, Russian Communist Party was not a very big party. But they organized revolution. So, comrade, Indian proletariat is also fighting now. Indian proletariat is also fighting now. Here and there, our proletariat class, our working class, our peasants, our students, our youth, our women, they are also fighting. They are also sacrificing their lives. And our task is to impart them the thoughts of Comrade Sikdar Ghosh. Not as a teacher, but as a student. Comrade Sikdar Ghosh told us, go to the masses as a student, सीखने के लिए जाओ, Go to the masses as a student, not as a teacher. Learn from the masses. Learn from the masses. And then you will be able to organize revolutionary battle. In the coming days, capitalism is tottering. Capitalism is tottering. So, definitely we will be able to organize revolutionary battle in our country following the paths of Comrade Siddharth Ghosh. Then the dream which Comrade Siddharth Ghosh saw in his early days, that will be fulfilled. Then and then only our country, our chosen people will be liberated. And in this day, when we are organizing memorial meeting of Comrade Siddharth Ghosh, we have to fulfill our behest at any cost. Comrade, definitely we will win, we shall fight, and we shall win, definitely. Long live revolution, long live the thoughts of Comrade Siddharth Ghosh. Red salute to Comrade Siddharth Ghosh, red salute ACCI Communist Party.